the best food ever. Hi, I'm Miao. Welcome to watch my video about Beijing daily life. I hope I can give you some advice about traveling in Beijing. Are you hungry? Today's video is about Chinese food. Chinese food is one of the best food in the world. I say it. So today I'm going to eat the most famous and the most iconic food in Beijing. So guess what it is? I know there are many famous food in Beijing, so it's very hard to guess, right? Peking duck. Also, I will take you to the restaurant. The Beijing locals often dine, not the tourist famous one. Look at this Yulin, this restaurant named Yulin. This is the one that Beijing locals have been eating since we are kids. Its slogan is Beijingers own Peking duck restaurant. I know if you come to Beijing, you might choose Quanjude, the most famous Peking duck restaurant. Maybe you've already heard of it. But nowadays, Quanjude is catered to the tourists so much with its lavish decor and an overly refined atmosphere. So you know what's the next? The price is higher. To be honest, I don't even dare step inside the Quanjude because the decor there is so luxurious. I'm afraid I have to mortgage everything I have to eat there. In recent years, there are also another Peking duck restaurant, very popular and very famous, named Siji Minfu. When my friends from other cities come to Beijing, they will choose Siji Minfu to eat Peking duck. It's a mid-range option with good taste and Beijing characteristic. The prices there is also on higher side of moderate, so it's acceptable. But during holidays, you have to wait in for the table for more than 2 hours. Of course, as a Beijing local, I will take you to the most local Peking duck restaurant that I often come. And you know, Peking duck is not an everyday meal for us. It's also more of a special treat during holidays, celebrations, or when I want to eat the meat so much. And now is Beijing's autumn, so it's the best season for us to eat duck. So is it strange for you to hear I'm saying that the autumn is the best season for duck? Yes, according to Beijing traditional beliefs, autumn is a time for nourishing the body. Duck meat, it is considered cold and sweet in nature. It is ideal for warming and nourishing the body, making it particularly suitable for the dry autumn season. This is based on the Chinese medicine principle. I know you are confused now. I don't understand the Chinese medicine too. But I heard the rough idea from my childhood till now. People are always saying that. Okay, enough blah 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 blah. Now it's time to go inside the restaurant and eating Peking duck. Menu looks like a book. The duck. Okay, let me order first, okay? Look at the skilled chef. And a skilled chef will slice the duck meat thinly. The duck is traditionally sliced into around 100 thin pieces, each with a perfect balance of crispy skin and tender meat. The Peking duck originated in Beijing with a history dating back to Yuan Dynasty and developed over time during the Ming and Qing dynasties, eventually become a royal delicacy. It has at least 600 history. The preparation of Peking duck is meticulous, using a specific breed of duck that is fattened. After the duck is slaughtered and cleaned, air is pumped between the skin and the meat to separate them. This creates an air layer that helps make the skin crispier when roasted. So the inside of the duck is scalded with hot water, and the outside is coated with maltose syrup to give the skin a shiny and golden appearance after roasting. And then the Peking duck is roasted over fruit wood. The duck is hung in a special oven and roasted over an open fire. The smoke from burning wood infuses the duck with a unique aroma. This process takes about 40 to 60 minutes. The Peking duck is here, and it is served with pancakes and cucumber, scallions, and sweet bean sauce. And this sugar is only for the skin. You dip the skin into the sugar. It will enhance its flavor. And very crispy. Okay, now I will make a Peking duck roll. Some meat, dip in the sweet bean sauce. And this one is has skin and meat. And I don't eat scallions, so. The best food ever. Let me introduce the sweet bean sauce for you. It is different from the sesame sauce I often mentioned in my earlier video. This sauce is made from fermented soybean, wheat flour, and sweet and sugar, and give it the sweet and slightly salty taste. In my memory, I think this is only used for the Peking duck and maybe 炸酱面, a famous noodle in Beijing, also one of the two sauces in 炸酱面. Don't forget the duck bones. It's also worth eating when I go out with my mom to eat Peking duck. My mom often take away the bones and make soup at home. You can also ask the restaurant to make soup, but I think at that time you will too full to drink the soup. So another option is to make pepper salt duck bones, like this. So there are also a lot of meat on it, so you can enjoy the meat also. And it's fried, so it's very delicious.
有58层他开会，就是那个周老师，朋友圈发的还快训练课程。我也听着你还能生气啊？先留我一看我接一些产品的。你跟对人了，我看人特别。
怎么样？好吃吗？这烤鸭？
好吃，
你跟四季民福比呢？
都差不多。
都差不多。This is my friend from other cities, and every time she comes to Beijing, she will eat Peking duck, and she thinks this restaurant is as good as the 四季民福 because she often go to the 四季民福 to eat the Peking duck. She comes to Beijing this time for the Universal Studio, so we will go there together. I will also take the video about our playing at the Universal Studios. So stay tuned on my channel and subscribe my channel and to see more videos. Another important thing to note is never buying the vacuum packed Peking duck. It's totally not worth it. The Peking duck should be only enjoyed freshly roasted. Look at the price, 434 yuan in total for 7 dishes. Quite affordable, right? I hope one day you can come to Beijing and to try the delicious Peking duck. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching my Beijing vlog. All my videos are about Beijing culture and Beijing life. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.